Now today's topic is integer. So what is integer? It is a collection of whole numbers and negative natural numbers. Whole number starting from 0 to dot dot and natural number with negative 1 means -1, -2, -3 and so on, -4, -5. So we have two types of integers on the basis of their sign. So first is positive integer, that is +1, +2, +3, +4, so on, and negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3 and -4. 0 is neither a negative nor a positive integer, but it is an integer. Next is number line. Number line is a representation of integers in a single line. So number line has 0 in the middle, and on the right side of the 0 we have plus, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 like this, and on the left hand side we have the negative ones, -1, -2, -3, -4 goes on. Now moving from left to the right the numbers increase, and moving from right to left the number decrease. Now comparing the numbers, we found that all the positive numbers are always greater than the negative numbers. For example, -1 and +1. Both the numbers are 1 and 1, but it has a minus sign and it has a plus sign. So +1 is the bigger one, so this one is the greater one. Again, next example is -300 and +300. Again, +300 is greater than -300. Next example is 3 and -3. Which one will be greater? Obviously this one has no sign, means it's plus sign. Plus means always greater. Now next come is 0. 0 is always greater than all the negative integers. Any integer with a negative sign is always less than 0. For example, 0 is always greater than -1. -100 is always less than 0. Next we have third rule we have is if the two numbers have the negative sign, so the greater the value the smaller will be the number. For example, 40 and 50. 50 is the greater value than 40, but it has a minus sign, so -40 will be greater than -50. Another example, -112 and -150. -150 is greater than 112, but both has negative sign, means -112 is greater than -150. Let's take another example. If we have 1, 2, -6, 0, 3, -3, and we have to arrange them in ascending order, then what we have to do? First we have to find the least one. So the negative sign are the least one, so -6 and -3. Which one is the least one? Obviously the number which have the greater number is the least value, means -6. Next we have -3. Now we have 1, 2, 0 and 3, so 0 will be the next one. After 0 we have 1, so 1 will be the next. Then we have 2 and lastly 3. Understood? Arranging the number in ascending order.